So can Pythagoras help me with my ladder? This is my problem. I've got an alarm box on the side of my house and it's quite high up. I'm not sure if my ladder can reach it. So here's the box. And the other problem with this box is that at the bottom of the wall where the alarm box is situated, there's a really big bush. Now that means that my ladder can't get up tight against the wall. So how is my ladder going to fit? I could just use trial and error and extend my ladder and see if it reaches, but that might take a bit of time. I'm sure I can find a cleverer way. Now this ladder is 5.6 meters high, so using the Pythagoras theorem for a right angled triangle where the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on either side, I can work out with my house whether the ladder can reach this alarm box up here and avoid sitting it in the bush. Now the alarm box is 5 meters up the wall and the bush sticks out 2 meters. So can I work out how long my ladder is using the Pythagoras theorem, where the square of the sides equals the square of the hypotenuse? And this is a little diagram showing you how that works out. So that square then just moves into the middle there, and this is the square of the hypotenuse. The theory goes that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So h squared equals x squared plus y squared. And on my house, it would look a bit like this. The ladder would be h, the height would be y, and the depth would be x. So my height is 5, my depth is 2, so the formula goes h squared would equal 5 squared plus 2 squared, which is h squared would be 25 plus 4. H squared is then equal to 29, and therefore my height of my ladder would be 5.38. Now I know it can do 5.6, so I know it will be able to reach. So there we are, there's my ladder going up the wall and reaching my box. And now it's time to go up it. Now, this is a bit scary, isn't it? All the way up my ladder. Yes, this is the extended bit, as you can see, all 5.38 meters of it. And here I am reaching the top so I can see my box. Now the important thing to do is not to look down.